you are going to get a question on the cherry red spot. Then the most beautiful, जिसकी कोई बात भी कर रहा था, most beautiful fundus. This is the best fundus appearance. Valentine week hai, so it is giving you the reddish appearance. So many roses inside the fundus. When you are having so many roses inside the fundus, so many hemorrhages, what is this actually? It is the splashed tomato appearance. Splashed tomato appearance. बच्चे sauce गिरा गए. So whenever there is lot of sauce or ketchup sauce appearance, or somebody has squeezed the tomato inside the fundus, this is the splashed tomato appearance. Where do you get it? CRVO. Very good. It is the CRVO. So we can have CRVO with the cherry red spot, splashed tomato appearance, CRVO. अगर fundus पहचान लोगे, so you will know. Both will be found in males more than 50 years of age with the slightly same risk factors, but इसमें hypertension and smoking. Hypertension and smoking are very, very important. So if you are having a male more than 50 years of age with the splashed tomato appearance, with the 100-day glaucoma, with the hypertension and smoking, CRVO. ये देखो. Now NEET 2018 question है, 100-day glaucoma. All the questions ये देखो. And I think if you have read in the class, my class, you know what is this. Tidy fundus, cheat code. Come on. Tidy fundus is the cheat code of. Let's get started. क्या है? Tidy fundus कहाँ मिलता है? You can see these two things. We are having the flame shaped hemorrhages and these large spots. Large spots क्या है? These are the soft exudates. So if you are having the flame shaped hemorrhages along with the soft exudates, along with the nasal angiospasm, So if you are getting very neat and tidy fundus, that means hypertension. क्यों hypertension? Because you are getting spasm. Spasm means thinning of vessels. So because vessels have become thin, so fundus has become clear. Don't quote it anywhere. This is just for your cheat code. If you get very, very neat and tidy fundus, this is actually hypertension, retinopathy, flame shaped hemorrhages, and the soft exudates. Both are present in the nerve fiber layer. So we have flame shaped hemorrhages, we have soft exudates present in the nerve fiber layer. The first is the nasal angiospasm and petho portion. Petho. What is the normal AV ratio? Normal AV ratio क्या होता है? A और V क्या होता है? A is a artery, V is a vein. So again, the histopathology, yeah. So which is wider? Artery is wider or vein is a wider? It is actually vein which is wider. So normal हो गया 2:3. Normal is 2:3. So when we are having thinning of the artery, what we are going to get? Therefore here you will get 1:3. So again, hypertension retinopathy is the ophtha plus patho, ophtha plus histology, ophtha plus medicine, all these things. 2:3 से क्या हो जाएगा? 1:3. Very, very simple. ठीक है? Then coming to D for diabetes and D for dirty fundus. Come on, dirty fundus सबको पता है. मैंने सबको पढ़ाया. What is dirty fundus and where do you get it? D for diabetes and D for dirty fundus. We are going to get the dirty fundus. Dirty fundus in the diabetes. D for dirty fundus, D for diabetes also. ठीक है ना? So यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है? Very, very small. We are getting microaneurysms. Then we are getting the dots. And we are getting the blots also. D for diabetes, D for dots, D for deeper hemorrhages. We are also getting D for deeper hemorrhages along with D for diabetes, D for dirty fundus, D for dots, D for deeper hemorrhages along with very, very small exudates called as hard exudates. Hard में भी D आता है. Hard also contains D. So we are having soft. Soft में there is no D. So it is found in hypertension. Hard में D आ रहा है. Deeper hemorrhages है. Then we are having dots and blots and dirty fundus. This is actually the NPDR. This is actually the NPDR stage. Now layers कैसे याद रखोगे? Do you remember the open? Which layers of the retina always show the pathologies? It is actually open. Always remember it opens the gate for retinal diseases. It opens the gate for retinal diseases. Outer plexiform, inner nuclear है. तो आउटर प्लेक्सिफॉर्म लेयर एंड द इनर न्यूक्लियर लेयर, दीज टू लेयर्स opens the gate for the retinal diseases. So out of these, hard exudates are present in outer plexiform. Remember it as HOP. Remember it as a HOP. Outer plexiform में hard exudates हो गया. तो बाकी दोनों किस में मिलेंगे? Inner nuclear layer contains the microaneurysms as well as the deeper hemorrhages. Outer plexiform layer opens, is opening the gates exactly. So remember the mnemonic HOP, hard exudates in the outer plexiform. So other two things will be present in the inner nuclear layer. So if you are having all the changes of diabetes but there is no new vascularization, then it is NPDR. If you are having the changes of diabetes plus neovascularization, then it is PDR. तो PDR में क्या है? Lot of proliferation. Proliferation मतलब lot of neovascularization. So let us see the neovascularization. See this beautiful lacy pattern. So much of neovascularization you are having. ये देखो, you are having neovascularization. This is optic disc. So this will be NVD, and you are having elsewhere also NVE. Just looking at this, you can see that this is neovascularization. Neovascularization matlab PDR, lot of hemorrhages because new blood vessels will always bleed. Now another important question. एक और चीज देखो, हाउ कैन यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन हार्ड एक्सुडेट्स एंड द सॉफ्ट एक्सुडेट्स? हाउ कैन यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन हार्ड एक्सुडेट्स एंड सॉफ्ट एक्सुडेट्स? नीट पीजी 2021. When you see the large one, fluffy जो है, soft cotton ball जैसे हैं, जो cotton ball जैसे हैं, large fluffy है, they are the soft exudates. जो छोटे हैं, concrete जैसे हैं, they are actually the hard exudates. So can you see this classroom picture actually came in NEET 2021, and they not only asked you the fundus image, they also asked you sign. The answer was hard exudates in the diabetic retinopathy. And again, diabetic retinopathy is 2023. You are going to get a question on cherry red spot as well as diabetic fundus. Matlab, 200 questions will come in an exam, and I can guarantee that at least in 20 questions out of 200, diabetes will be there as a risk factor. Iska matlab 10% of the questions will be on diabetes, and therefore all the complications of the diabetes are going to be asked. Diabetic foot, diabetic nephropathy, diabetic ulcers, as well as diabetic retinopathy. So be prepared for the diabetes, be prepared for the cherry red spot. You are going to get this. So we are having tidy fundus, dirty fundus हो गया, NPDR and PDR. NPDR and PDR भी हो गया.